everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. If you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So today I am going to show you 2 easy ways to hang your plants. I personally believe that plants are the most easiest way to decorate with, and when you hang those plants, it adds an extra bit of beauty to your balcony, and moreover it saves lots of floor space. So without spending much time, let's get started. So to make this first DIY plant hanger, you need a jute rope, some beads and a scissor. Now take the desired length of your plant hanger, fold it like this, and now cut it. Now this is the first strand. Now take this size, cut another piece. So I have total number of 4 pieces. Okay, now fold it and tie a knot. Now lay it. Now take 2 strands and make 4 groups. So you can see that there is 2 strands and 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Now I am leaving this much of length and then tying a knot. Now take your beads and pull through the hole. Do the same. So now this is the first group. Take 1 thread from first group and another thread from second group and make a knot. Again, from the second group, take this leftover thread, and from third group, take another thread and make a knot. Now, this leftover thread and the first group thread make a knot. Now again, thread all the beads. Take the first strand, next group thread and make a knot. Now after finishing these knots, pull it together and tie it a big last knot like that. Now thread some beads.
And this is how it has turned out.
The second plant hanger, you need the leggings and the scissor. Now from that leggings I have already cut 8 strands. Now fold all the strands and make a knot. Now there are total number of 16 strands. Okay, now make 4 group of 4 strands. I am taking this 4 strands and I will make 4 strand braid. To make this 4 braid, you take this 2 strand in each hand. Now this right strands will go over the left strands like this. and from this middle, that left strand will go over the right. This is cross. Okay, now again twist and cross. Twist and cross. Don't pull it too tight, otherwise this middle section will somehow get lost. Okay, now repeat this process again and again. So after braiding this much, I am tying a knot over here. Okay, now do the same for rest of the groups. So now I have completed all the 4-strand braids for each group. Now follow the previous technique, the first DIY plant hanger technique. Okay, make 4 groups. Now from each group take 2 strands and make a knot. Repeat the same process one more time. So I have completed all the knots, and now here at the end make a big knot. Don't worry if it looks so small, it will stretch out when you will put the pot over here.
And this is how it has turned out.
So that is the final result. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Make one and see the change of your balcony. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.